Hey, Jody here. Let me tell you about our latest black box offer. The first one we did was so popular we thought we'd put together another variation with some of the latest products. One of the latest products we added was these new black TIG gloves. Same design as the original white ones with the seamless palm. No stitching here at this high stress area, and they're the same quality. They're nice and soft. You can feel the filler wire, but they also are durable and last a good long while. And of course, in this box are also a TIG finger and TIG finger XL. The XL is for people that have really large fingers or want to slip 2 fingers in, or for when you're just welding right next to something that's glowing red hot and you need a lot of heat protection. Can you imagine propping here with just a glove? Also for aluminum jobs where they get really hot right next to the weld really quickly, it helps you to slide along and protects your finger from getting hot. If you have to do a pipe welding job where you can't walk the cup, if you're in a tight spot, you don't have enough room to walk the cup, TIG finger or TIG finger XL is a great option. I put together this Furick 8 clear cup kit, but also it includes a ceramic cup just as a backup or for times when you don't need a clear cup. Sometimes it's awesome to be able to see right through the clear cup, see where you're feeding wire in those tight spots, welding up inside a corner. And even if you don't need to see through the cup, this thing just lights up everything around it. And for me, with my older eyes, that's a huge benefit. It just acts like a light bulb, lighting everything up, helps me see where I'm going better. Does great shielding unless you stick the electrode out farther than without a gas lens. Here I did a video recently of a little outside corner joint comparing the clear lens, the clear number 8 lens, to a ceramic lens. Same joint, same cube. It's really similar results, not much difference you can see, but it just doesn't light up the area as much. You don't always need that. Both cups are a really good option, really good all-around cups for DC as well as AC welding. You could put this little plastic case in your back pocket and you pretty much take care of most jobs. A mag tab is super handy. It's just a little magnet setup. It's got some adjustments on it for holding little tabs. This is an unusual use for one that I figured out, was welding end caps on square tubing. Without a mag tab, I've held it with my glove and flash tacked it, and I've also burnt my fingers. So it's just a super easy way to hold an end cap on, or a tab for a wiring harness, or you name it. Another super handy little tool are these magnetic V-pads from Stronghand tools. I had a run of 50 of these parts to do, and it really helped me get them all tacked up really quickly, just spinning them around and tacking them before I put them on a turntable. Super handy. Also included are 3 pieces of 332 2% lanthenated electrodes and some stickers. So by putting this all together in a black box, there's a significant savings for you. There will be a link in the description where you can learn more. Thanks for watching.